Okay, so today we are going to take out the ABSIMA AB3.4 again. We're now running a brushless system in there, as opposed to the brush system that we were initially running when I actually built this thing. Now that was causing me far too many issues. It had to go, which is why I've now opted for a brushless system. I have still tried to keep it as cheap as possible, and I will leave links to all the parts used on this buggy in the description. We're going to be running this thing on 2S today, and then, you know, hopefully at a later date we will be running on 3S to see what it's capable of. I think the main aim for today is to actually see how this performs, and hopefully we can actually get some decent runtime out of it, because last time we only managed to get 8 minutes, which was very, very disappointing. If you haven't seen any of the other videos that I've actually done on this, be sure to check those out. We did an unboxing video, sort of like an unboxing initial impressions. We also did the initial build, and obviously the test run and all that sort of stuff on the brush system. I did cover all that on the channel, so be sure to check those videos out, and I will leave links to those in the description below. We're going to get everything ready. The 2S pack we're going to be using today is the SportTrack 5300 55C. Really do like these hard case lipos. I've been using them for quite a while now. So like I said, we're going to run this on 2S, and hopefully we can have a decent day with it, guys. So I did previously mention that I'm no longer using the Dumbo RC transmitter, and that is because the receiver actually let me down. I actually thought it was the ESC that I was using in this, but it turns out it was actually the receiver for the Dumbo RC. Now that was a little bit disappointing because I'd only ever heard good things about it, but it is what it is. So we're just using this really cheap transmitter that was actually included with my Maverick Strada. It's the only one I've got available at the moment, and I don't want to risk using my expensive receiver, my Sanwa receiver that I actually use in my Granite and my WL Toys. We're just going to use this just in case we have any more issues, but I'm hoping this is actually going to solve the issue. So let's not talk anymore. We are all set to go. Let's head out and find out whether or not this thing is actually going to work for me today. The aim of today is to actually test this brushless system out. We're only going to be running on 2S, guys, just to see if it actually works okay, and then the speed runs and all that stuff will come at a later date, but we just want to see if this thing is actually going to work properly today. Now guys, if you're brand new to the channel, then be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Let's not waste any more time. The 2S pack is actually fitted in. Let's take this thing for a run and see how we get on. So today has been a lot more successful than the first time. We've managed to get a decent amount of runtime out of this on 2S. Things are just working out today, guys, if I'm honest. We're not going to go into too much detail about what I like and what I dislike about this, because I will be doing that at a later date. But at the very least for today, it's been very enjoyable. Everything feels a lot nicer than it did before, and I'm a lot more happy today. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. We're going to leave it there today, but be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest content. We've got loads of stuff planned for the channel, loads of stuff coming up as well. Now, I really do like doing budget builds like this, and if you enjoy cheap RCs and you enjoy doing brushless conversions and all that sort of stuff, you're definitely going to like some of my other videos, so be sure to check those out. Really successful today, guys. We're going to leave it there. I'll see you soon. Take care.